Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a golden goddess kind of look. It's inspired by a headband I got at Claire's, so I've already done my foundation and put my hair in a wig cap, so we're just going to start off with my Natural Love palette. First off, I'm going to put a light layer of, I don't know, the lightest shade I guess on my eyes, then go in with a darker brown in the crease and really just put it in there with a fluffy brush because, you know, fluffy brushes, I like those. Next, I'm going to go in with a darker brown, kind of pack it on, and then with a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend it out. With the same dark shade of brown, I'm going to use a smaller brush and go on with the under eyes to give it kind of, I don't know, a goddessy kind of look. Then, using the Sephora brand eyeshadow palette thingies, I'm going to go on and kind of create like a gold cut crease, but not like a proper one because makeup. Next, using my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner and the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara, I'm going to go off camera and do the eyes because, well, eyes are hard. So I've attached false lashes along with doing everything. Now we're going to do some contouring. So using my Natural Love palette again, I just went in with the brown shade because I don't have a proper contour palette right now, but we're just going all around highlighting or contouring the shapes of that. With this little brush I'm just contouring my nose. And with this little gold thing I'm going to start highlighting just little bits of gold flicks along the cheekbones. Now going in with the Sephora palette again, we're going to really emphasize the cheekbones with some gold and go all up along the forehead to really give it the gold look. Now using my Anastasia Moonchild palette, we're going to go in with the white ice something and highlight the cheekbones, the nose, and the brows. Now to actually do the brows, I'm going to use an e.l.f. brush with the light brown palette from my Natural Love palette and just fill in the brows. Now because I really want it to be a goddess look, I decided that I was going to highlight my collarbones with gold as well. So really getting in there, I decided to highlight my neck as well. Using my Love You Mochi palette, I went in with the yellow to really bring out some gold. I did that along the collarbone, under the neck, and along the cheeks as well. For this look, I'm going to be using my Rockstar white wig lace front and the headband that inspired this look from Claire's. Using the CoverGirl lipstick, I think this look is almost completed. And there we go, a little bit of setting spray, and we're done! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This look was really fun, and there's another headband that I have as well that I want to do a look with as well, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you next time. Bye!